guys, and welcome back to another video here on this channel. So as you can probably tell from the red lips and the red dress, I'm going to be showing you how to make some really quick 10-minute sews ready for Valentine's / Galentine's Day. So these are going to be nice, quick, easy little makes that you can make for your friends or loved ones. So all of these can be made by absolute beginners, and even if, to be honest, if you don't have a sewing machine, you can do a lot of these with hand sewing as well. So let's get on into the makes. Before we actually start, this dress that I'm wearing now is actually a me-made dress that I made a little while ago, and it's a peplum style dress. I'll pop a picture up so you can see it in full length. But yeah, something that I really love. But head on over to that video if you want to try and replicate this as well. But yes, just thought it was very fitting for the occasion. So the first project are these lovely little heart and lovebird bunting. I just think these are the perfect little pieces of decor to really get you in the mood for the occasion. And yeah, these are really lovely and simple. Obviously you can use any colours that you like. I've gone with a more traditional red and white, and I've used this lovely juting material in order to hold them together. But again, you could just use some plain jute string. That would work perfectly as well. So in order to make the hearts, I'm going to be using this little shape that I've created here. I will upload these so you can just download these shapes for free, but obviously you can just hand draw them and cut them out. They're quite simple to do. But yes, I've made my heart with quite an exaggerated dip here, just so that by the time you add the seam allowance and do any folding over, you've still got a really prominent heart shape. So I'm going to be using this and this little lovebird shape with the wing. And again, I will pop a little template that you can download if you just want something quite straightforward just to start with. And the fabrics I'm going to be using are these. So these three here are felts. So you've got the red, the cream, the white. Haven't decided if I'm using the white or the cream. I just feel like the cream is a little bit more muted, a little bit more sophisticated, but we'll see. And also this lovely gingham fabric as well. So I'm going to start with, first of all, making some hearts out of this felt fabric. So I'm going to show you up close how I'm doing this. Okay, so here I have my felt, and I've got these lovely little heart pins that I'm actually going to be using for this project because I just think, again, very fitting. I'll leave them down below if I can find them. But I've got my little fabric pieces, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pin these down and then cut around them with the rotary cutter. Obviously you can just do this with scissors if you don't have a rotary cutter. I just think it's a bit easier with smaller projects and round projects to lie things flat. Just going to obviously pin this in a way so there's like minimal wastage of fabric. And like so, I'm just going to cut these out. And there we have the first heart. So I'm going to repeat this with the various different fabrics. I'm going to be doing it with my cream or white one, and I'm going to be doing it with my gingham as well, and then I will meet you back here. So these are all the pieces that I have. I have 4 of the red hearts, 4 of the cream hearts, 2 of each of the colours of the birds, and 2 of the wings. And the way I'm going to kind of have them arranged is to have these 2 in the middle and then have them alternating, and then kind of have all the strings kind of going between them. And I'm going to fill each of them with stuffing, and then I'm going to do actually a blanket stitch all the way around. Now you could just hand stitch with a normal straight stitch, but I think the blanket stitch will just give a little bit of interest, but completely personal preference. So I'm going to get on with that, and then I will see you at the end with the finished look. So this next one is a set of napkin ties, which I think is just perfect for the Valentine's / Galentine's Day dinner night. And I just think this is such a lovely decorative piece, but also a really nice gift as well, or to set up a lovely little dinnerscape. Really, really simple to make, almost no sewing at all, and a really good one to use up your extra trim in your trim stash. Now this next one is so easy to make. They're going to be little napkin rings, and well, not rings rather, but napkin ties. What I've done here is I've created these 2 little hearts like this, not completely straight. I'm going to have to adjust those soon. But what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to get my nice little pretty ribbon, and obviously you can use anything you like here. And I'm actually going to sandwich the ribbon in the center here, like so. Either sew or glue that down, and there you have it. I don't even think that takes 10 minutes. So super quick and easy, really nice effect for your nice romantic dinner. What you could also do is also use some rickrack again in between the 2, sandwiching them together. I might actually prefer this one actually. I might actually do this one as the final look. But yeah, just really simple yet effective. Again, you could blanket stitch. I might just do a white little straight stitch all the way around again for a little bit of interest. But yeah, really love the effect of that one. Now this make is a lovely practical make. It's these lovely heart-shaped reversible coasters, and I think these look absolutely glorious, very fitting for the occasion, but also just a general lovely touch for the home. Again, really lovely as a gift, or just to create a lovely tablescape for your guests. These are something super easy just to throw into the wash and reuse time and time again. So let me show you how to make those. So I'm going to be making some heart-shaped coasters because I think, again, that's a really nice little effect for the table. And I'm going to be using these fabrics, and this is just some wadding. I'm going to be using my heart template here, which is slightly bigger size to the other one you saw earlier on in the video. So I'm going to be cutting out the hearts using, I think, this fabric as the main one, and then maybe doing the other side like this so they're reversible. Let's get cutting to begin. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you took some inspiration away with you today. Let me know if you do make any of these. I would love to see. You can follow me and tag me over on my Instagram at an.editedlife. Like I said, any of the shapes that I've used today I have on my blog. You can go straight over there to download that for free if you wish. But until next time guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.